Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am your mentor Shikha. Today we will create this simple yet beautiful New Year card. I know New Year is around the corner and you can create this simple card and wish your loved ones a very happy New Year. So before we start with it, I would request you all to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you for being there. So let's start. So to create our New Year card, we require some sketch pens, a sheet, and that's it. So with just little sketch pens, we will create this beautiful New Year card. So let's start. Now, the first step, as you all know, I have taken an A5 size sheet and folded it from the center to make it a card. So that's the crease done. Now we can create any pattern, any design to make it a beautiful New Year card. So what we'll do is I will make a very simple design. Now I'll leave some space and I'm creating a line, just a curvy line. And I'm adding a depth here, making it little bold. The same kind of a line I'll create here. So this is just a kind of a border to my drawing. And I'll just add a little and I'll fill a color over here. Just two broken lines. Now what we will do is, this corner we will create some gifts. So I'm making two slanting lines. I'll join it, then again slanting gift, just to give it a perspective look, and I'll add some ribbons. In fact, we can use different colors also for the ribbons. So this is just an outline part of what we are making. Here I'm making a curvy line, and then what you have to do is you have to make a style like W. So you have to make a W. 1, 2, 3 and 4 W's. Why we made these W's? We'll write to 2022, the New Year part in it. So I'll just make that. Then we'll make some balloons. I'm making some pattern inside these balloons. You can make some heart-shaped balloons, some different balloons. Just like that, we can make some balloons. We can make some caps, and we'll use sketch pens to color all of them. Then here again I'll make up some buntings. So I will again make this curvy line, and now I will make just V. So I'll keep making these V to make it look like a bunting. We'll add some more balloons here. Some small ones, some big ones, just like that. And you can create any pattern in it. And we'll use sketch pens to fill the colors in it. Now this is a very basic drawing. Rest of the things we will be doing it with sketch pens. Like I'll be filling it with different colors. I have so many different color sketch pens, so I'll fill it with different colors. Here I'm using a pink color. You can choose any color of your choice. So any color will do. And we are using sketch pens to give it a bright and a very beautiful effect. I'm doing the colors roughly. It's not compulsory that you have to fill the complete color. I'm just doing it roughly. So any color of your choice you can use. Now again this heart balloon is of red color. Now what we'll do is we'll write 2022 in it. And we will also color the balloons here. But before that we will make some firecrackers. Now the easiest way to make a firecracker is make a circle, then a small line, 2-3 dots, a big line, 2-3 dots. Small line, 2-3 dots, big line, 2-3 dots. Again a small line, 2-3 dots. But see, I'm doing it in a little curvy way. Some dots, some this. This is the first color I have done. Now I will use the orange color. So basically we'll use 2-3 different colors to create this effect. So this is a kind of an effect we have created. Now we'll fill these balloons with different colors. I'm using this pink color here. Just to give this sparkly effect. Now this space is too blank. Here again we'll use different colors to fill the color, because it's our card, so we'll make it very bright, beautiful. We'll use different shades, different colors. So all bright colors we'll take. Now in the center we'll write down Happy New Year. And we will take any color of our choice and we will write down Happy New Year. Okay, now you will say almost it's done. No, we have a lot of blank space here. So what we'll do is we'll make some trees over here. So winters, so we'll make some pine trees over here. To make a pine tree, we'll make a straight line. And we'll make some zigzag pattern first, and then we will create the effect of the tree. So just roughly I'm giving this, and you will see how I'm getting this texture of a tree. So you can create your own pattern. You can here give your own designs also. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to create the same pattern which I am doing. You can just add your own thing, add your own touch to this. Let your creativity enjoy. So I've created some trees over here. Now this side is also blank. So what I'm doing is I'll just randomly pick any blue color. Okay, and I will create a rough pattern, just zigzag lines. I am not filling the color properly. I'm just creating a zigzag pattern and line, and I leave it like that. I can also add a little bit effect with a darker blue. Just rough texture. That's it. So you can create just simple patterns also with this, no? You all can see it's a very simple New Year card. Do create it, everyone, and share it on our Insta and Facebook page. You can also tag us. And of course, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Keep showing your love like this. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy. Stay safe, and wishing you all a very happy new year.